Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to change the door handle surrounds in a Subaru Brumby. These pieces have been sitting in the sun for a very long time. I gather they're the original ones, but I've got these. I will leave a link in the description where I got these from. There's one screw in here. It's a Phillips head screw. That's the old one. That's what the old one and the new one look like side by side. Now there is a difference between the left side and the right side. There is a little indentation there for the top of the handle part to sit in, bit of a recess. So on both of them that little recess goes to the top. And there's a clip on the back, clips onto the little axle part that sits through the locking mechanism. Just need to line that clip up. That clips on like that. Put the screw back in. Just like that, that one's done. Now I also got these pieces. They go down next to the seat. These clips just click into there and there. Just like that, just to fill that hole in. Now for the other side. It's exactly the same on the other side. Take the screw out. This one's actually got the clips holding onto that locking mechanism. Pull the handle out, slide it off. New one with that recessed bit at the top. There we go, and just the same as the other side, two clips go down into there. There we go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.